Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change name in your Microsoft account. How to change name. So the first thing you do is log into your Microsoft account, sign in. Once you've done that with your credentials, whether online, we're using the website, actually that's what I did. And then the next thing you're gonna do is from the home page here, you can see these options here on the left hand side. Click on your info. And then you can see the name you used. You can now edit the name. You can now put in the new name. And then you have to verify by using the captcha. So type in your captcha. XSLHYG. You can also use audio to verify if you want. So that's it. My name has been changed from TKC to TKC Kitty Cat. Even though I'm not really a fan of cats, I kind of prefer dogs. But to each his own. So that's it. That is how to edit name. Or change name. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips like this which you put up every day. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye for now.